Greetings, Tanya Brockett here. I just wanted to pop in and talk to you about setting intentions and using affirmations. Because I posted one recently, I received some feedback from different people, both on the video itself, but just in conversation about how important the affirmations are to you. So I wanted to share a way of creating those affirmations that you can use yourself and how you can apply them to your life. So let me just give you a quick uh, glimpse of how I choose to do that. I'm going to do it through my book, the new Writer Workbook, because I realized that I have instructions there for how to create intentions and how to set them. So let me do a search in here because I know one of the things that I do in this book is I talk about the green marker technique. And yeah, so I would do a search for that. I'm going to share that green marker technique in a minute, but let's first go through the language of intention so that you can come up with affirmations that are useful and meaningful for you to help you to get into the feeling space of having, doing, and being whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish, whether that's to be a best-selling author or whether it is to be a successful entrepreneur, whatever. So one of the things that I share in this book is to use I am statements. I am statements are powerful because whatever you say after that I am is what you can become. So if you say I am pitiful, I am ugly, I am horrible, those are those things that you start to feel and you start to believe and you start to attract other things that reinforce that. You don't want that. You want to say I am powerful, I am prolific, I am awesome. And you want to take on the feeling of that, even if you don't feel it at first. Take on that I am statement. I am, as I wrote in here, I am a prolific and prosperous author. You can do that. You can be that. Another thing is to use active verbs, using punchy language, something that says, this is happening right now. I am joyfully doing this at this moment. I'm joyfully driving my new car with the convertible top down and the wind is blowing through my hair. Whatever it is that makes you happy, use the verbs that express that. Also, emotionalize those words. Make it real for yourself. Make it like, oh my goodness, this feels so awesome. And, you want to feel that you actually have achieved this particular thing. You want it to be joyful. You want it to be exciting. You want it to be happy. You want it to be whatever makes you feel good. Add those emotional words to that affirmation. And then also add your five senses whenever you can. So if you're if you make it a sensory experience, you're able to really get into that feeling space of having it. So when you smell the tropical breezes of the fabulous beach vacation that you're envisioning, or you hear the birds singing in this beautiful, sanctuary that you go to visit, or you feel the sand in your toes, that kind of thing. You want to make yourself feel that. And one of the things that one of my clients says is to feel it real. Feel it real and make it a sensory experience for yourself. Be there, make it present. So those are some of the ways and some of the tips that I have for actually writing an affirmation that is meaningful to you. Now, let me go back to that green marker technique, because one of the things that I share with my clients oftentimes is to write that affirmation in a green permanent marker in the corner of your mirror, something that you're going to see on a regular basis, whatever that mirror is. So you write it up in a green Sharpie. I am a prolific and prosperous author. And you write it up there and you see it every day. You get into the feeling space of it when you see it. You hear it, you feel it, you get into it. And then you let it go. You say, wow, that felt great. And then you just let it go and have a joyful day. Be in gratitude, be thankful for everything that you go through during the day. Be happy and excited and just get into that feeling space when you see that up there. And then once you manifested it, boop, 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 squirt, squirt, wipe it off. You're done. You did it. So that I just wanted to share that little tip about creating affirmations that resonate with you, that you feel really good about, that you can get excited about bringing to life, and then writing that up in a green Sharpie marker in the corner of your mirror so that you can see it every day and feel it, get into that feeling space of it every day, and then enjoy becoming that. Identify with becoming what it takes, becoming the person that is necessary to have whatever it is that you stated in your affirmation. I hope this serves you today. Have a wonderful one. Tanya Brockett here. Let me know if there's any way I can help you.